Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel your blaze burner. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your burner is completely cool before handling any fuel. Next, identify the correct fuel type for your specific model, whether it's propane or natural gas. Finally, locate the fuel inlet port, which is usually clearly marked on the unit. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and efficient fueling process, setting the stage for optimal performance. Choosing the right fuel is paramount for your blaze burner's longevity and performance. Most blaze models operate on either liquid propane or natural gas. It is essential to consult your owner's manual to confirm the precise fuel type recommended for your specific unit. Using an incorrect fuel can lead to serious damage, compromise safety, and invalidate any product warranties. Always double-check before connecting any fuel source. Connecting your fuel source requires careful attention to detail. If using propane, securely attach the regulator hose to the propane tank valve. Hand-tighten all connections first, then use a wrench to give them an additional 1/4 turn for a snug fit. Crucially, perform a leak test by applying a soapy water solution to all connections. Look for bubbles, which indicate a leak, and tighten further if necessary to ensure safety. Once the fuel is connected, you are ready to ignite your burner. Slowly open the main fuel supply valve, allowing gas to flow to the burner head. Next, activate the integrated igniter or use a long-stemmed lighter to safely ignite the gas. Once lit, you can easily adjust the flame height and heat output using the control knob. Always monitor the flame and ensure proper ventilation during operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.